Hello and welcome to our video on how to monetize your blog. If you're a blogger looking to turn your passion into a profitable venture, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll share some tips and tricks for monetizing your blog and turning it into a source of income. Section 1, Affiliate Marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to monetize a blog. By promoting products or services through your blog and earning a commission on any sales made through your unique affiliate link, you can earn a steady stream of income. However, it's important to choose the right products to promote and write effective affiliate marketing posts that resonate with your audience. Some examples of successful affiliate marketing niches include fashion, beauty, and travel. Section 2, Sponsored Content. Sponsored content is another popular way to monetize your blog. By partnering with brands and businesses to promote their products or services in exchange for compensation, you can earn a steady stream of income while building relationships with brands. Some examples of successful sponsored content include product reviews, sponsored social media posts, and brand collaborations. Section 3, Advertising. Advertising is another way to monetize your blog. This can include display ads, sponsored posts, and more. However, it's important to choose the right advertising opportunities for your blog and optimize your ad revenue to ensure maximum earnings. Some examples of successful advertising niches include personal finance, health and wellness, and food and recipes. Section 4, Digital Products. Digital products can be a lucrative way to monetize your blog. By creating and selling ebooks, courses, and other digital products that showcase your expertise and provide value to your audience, you can generate a significant amount of revenue. Some examples of successful digital products include online courses, ebooks on niche topics, and printable worksheets. Section 5, Services. Finally, offering services related to your blog niche can be another way to monetize your blog. By offering coaching, consulting, or freelance writing services, you can turn your blog into a hub for your freelance work. Some examples of successful service niches include business coaching, social media consulting, and freelance writing for online publications. Section 6, Membership Programs. Creating a membership program for your blog can be an effective way to generate recurring revenue. By offering exclusive content, access to online courses or coaching, or a private community, you can attract loyal subscribers who are willing to pay for your expertise. Some successful examples of membership programs include cooking clubs, fitness challenges, and online book clubs. Section 7, Events. Hosting events related to your blog niche can be another way to monetize your blog. By organizing workshops, conferences, or meetups, you can provide valuable in-person experiences for your audience while generating revenue through ticket sales, sponsorships, or merchandise. Some successful examples of events include fashion shows, wellness retreats, and blogging conferences. Section 8, Donations. If you have a dedicated audience who values your content, you may consider adding a donation button or setting up a Patreon account. This allows your readers to support your work with voluntary contributions, which can help cover your expenses and keep your blog running. Some successful examples of donation-based models include independent journalism, non-profit organizations, and open-source software development. By incorporating these additional monetization strategies into your blog, you can diversify your income streams and maximize your earning potential. Remember, monetizing your blog takes time, effort, and persistence, but with the right strategies in place, you can turn your blog into a profitable business. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to grow your blog and business. Please, like, subscribe and comment if you enjoyed our video. Thanks for watching, see you next time.